Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to view your Standard Chartered bank statements. It's not going to take you a long time, and right now I'm going to just share with you the steps. Okay, so as you can see here are the steps. So the first thing that you need to do is to log onto the app and then tap on the tile that shows your account details and balance, and after under the documents, select view and choose between a 3, 6 and 2-year statement as suitable to you. And on the internet banking, what you need to do is to follow these steps, which is log on to internet banking, click on your account balance on the download option. After you have selected your statement period, it does give you the option for statement preference. So these was the steps, guys, how you can do it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.